Want to view your Vermeer equipment in Vermeer One? You'll start by creating an account and getting connected to your company. There are a few ways to do this. Your local Vermeer dealer can assist you in getting invited to join. Not sure who your local dealer is? Use the Dealer Locator tool on Vermeer.com to find contact information for the dealers closest to you. Or, if you know of others in your company that are already in Vermeer One, they can help you get in touch with your Vermeer One customer company admin. Your Vermeer dealer or customer company admin can send you an email invite to join your company in Vermeer One. The email prompts you to accept the invite and takes you to Vermeer One to provide your first name and last name. The email address the invite was sent to will be the address associated with your account. After accepting the terms and conditions and selecting Create an Account, another email will be sent to create your password and then to sign into the platform. If there is a delay in the email to set the password, you can also go through the Forgot Password process to gain access to your new account. Creating an account using this invite automatically connects you to your company, giving you visibility to equipment. You can also create an account on your own. However, there will be a few extra steps to get you connected to a company to see your equipment. On Vermeer.com, navigate to the Vermeer One page on the site and select Create Account. Here, you can complete the necessary information to create your Vermeer One account. Creating an account this way gives you access to some of the benefits of the platform, but to fully experience what Vermeer One has to offer, you will need to get connected to your company. On the dashboard, you're prompted to Get Connected. After clicking the Get Connected button, you'll see a series of questions aimed at finding the most efficient process to connect you to your company and equipment. One way to connect is submitting a Join Company request. However, this request will take a few days to process. If you know the Vermeer One admin at your company, you can ask them to invite the displayed email address to connect with the company. If you know of someone else at your company with Vermeer One access, you can collaborate to learn who the company admin is. There's also a document to help find the admin on your coworker's account. You are also able to contact your local dealer. To support this connection, the link to Dealer Locator on Vermeer.com is provided. Once you've taken any of the previous steps and have been invited to join a company, you will be notified on your dashboard. After selecting Accept and Join, you will be able to see any information, such as equipment, connected to your company. If you are the first user at your company with a Vermeer One account, you will automatically become the customer company admin. Let's explore what that looks like next. Each company will have a customer company admin within Vermeer One. This is a user with administrative permission to manage users for their company and their access to Vermeer digital applications. Vermeer recommends having 2 per company. By default, the first user of a new company will become an admin. When you are given admin permission, the Admin tab appears on the side navigation. Here you can see a list of users connected to your company. This is also the page where you can invite a new user to join the company. This could be to connect someone who does not have a Vermeer One account or an account that isn't yet connected to the company. To send the invite, you as the admin will need to provide the user's email and select which company location the user will have access to. In most cases, like this example, there will only be one company location. The invite process is started after the admin click Invite User. By selecting Pending Invites, you can keep track of invites sent. It is also the location where you can view join requests. Join requests are sent to the company admin when a dealer completes the same Invite User to a company process. As the admin, you have the final say for which users become linked to your company and have access to its data. Admins have 15 days to approve or decline the request. The customer company admin can also edit profile information for other users. You can also deactivate or remove users from the company. Deactivating turns off the account, but keeps that email connected to the company. Removing the user removes that account's email from being connected to that company.